Today I am going to show you how to fix those annoying white outlines that can appear around items in Vtube Studio when you import them. So as you can see here, or I hope you can see, on the left this is the one that hasn't been altered yet, and you can kind of see where there are little fuzzy white outlines around the controller and around the edges of the wings in particular. And this doesn't normally show up on the art. Like if you're exporting it, it'll look normal, but for some reason when you upload it into Vtube Studio, it'll appear like this. And usually the closer or larger the object is, you can't notice it, but then if you shrink it down, it'll start to get more and more obvious that there's some weird stuff going on. And then in comparison, you can see on the right here that after I've made the changes, it doesn't have the problem anymore. This one hasn't been fully animated yet, as the asset is still in development, but you can still kind of see for, just the purposes of this video, how it already compares. And it's a very simple solution. So let me darken the screen here for a second while I switch over to Clip Studio, just for privacy reasons. Alright, so now that we're in Clip Studio, all you have to do is first you want to navigate to the line art layer that you want to change. This one is an animation, so the line art layers might be a bit different, but just navigate to your line art. And then what you want to do is go to Window, Layer Property, and then it'll open up this effects panel over here on the right, and you want to click border effect, and immediately that does some kind of weird stuff to your line art. As you can see, you want to just take the fill tool and change the edge color to black or whatever color your line art is, and then you want to click on this sub menu, border of watercolor, and then all you want to do is take the transparency effect bar and take it all the way down to about 5%. And as you can see here, the line art doesn't look really any different than it did originally, but this slight transparency effect somehow affects the import properties of Vtube Studio, and I believe it has to do a lot with anti-aliasing and all that. But if you add just this little tiny imperceptible transparency effect to the border of your line art, it will not do that in the program. So yeah, that is a very simple fix to this problem. I couldn't find the answer on the internet myself when I was having the issue, and I don't know if this is a fix for any other software other than Clip Studio, but I'm sure that there are probably similar effects available in your respective drawing program if you want to search for them. But yeah, this seems to be the best solution to the problem. So I hope this helps. I hope this is able to provide some insight to anybody else who might be having this problem. Also, like I said before, this asset is in development, and if you might be interested in having this little animated bat friend to help you in your next gaming streaming session, then you can check him out on my Ko-fi page when he's available, and I will be posting updates on it regularly on Twitter until it's done. So yeah, if you'd like to go and support me, follow Moth in the Studio on Twitter and on Ko-fi, I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, bye guys.